This is a 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500, made for the job site, the trail, and the town. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, a 4-speed automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a power sunroof, a power driver's seat, a CD player, a low tire pressure indicator, a stability control system, and this vehicle has fewer than 51,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
All of us at Rich Ford are committed to serving our friends and customers and looking forward to hearing from you. We're located at 8601 Lomas Boulevard Northeast in Albuquerque. Please call us at 800-920-0728.